what's up, you guys? Justin Salter here to teach you a song that one of you guys commented on that I forgot about, called The Fountain. And I guess you could say I wrote it. Came to me one day sitting by a fountain in Nashville, Tennessee. So it's interesting because I guess it's a C sharp. So instead of doing like the major form like, you know, you're probably used to, you actually drop the middle finger down a half step. And then you do the E major chord, which we actually haven't talked about E major yet. We did E minor. But basically you take that same shape and you drop, you take it to the 14th fret, and then you drop your middle finger down to your pointer finger to the 11th fret on the G string. So it's going to go. I always try to add a little vibrato in there. So it's. To the A major chord. Back to the B, back to the C sharp. And I add a little vibrato in there. Did I sing it that high? I felt so uninspired. This is my last ride. Say my favorite line. And I find a way to live without you. Once upon a night, I felt so uninspired. This is my last ride. Say my favorite line. How can I find a way to live without you? Without you. Yeah, man, that was an inspired piece that was written during like the worst time of my life, probably during kind of COVID-ish. Moved to Nashville. Basically, was down and out on my luck. I got sick from black mold, which I thought was COVID, and couldn't stop coughing and couldn't sleep or eat or go to the bathroom for weeks or months. Actually, it took about a year to recover from that, but. Anyway, it was a horrible time, but it's funny how sometimes the best pieces of art come, in the worst times of our lives. And I mean, look at, for example, "Under the Bridge" by the Chili Peppers. Like Anthony wrote that out, like literally, at the worst time of his life, from what he's said, and it's one of their greatest songs. So it's funny how art works like that. I used to actually create artificially toxic hostile environments so I could write better, but man, oh god, that took a toll on me, so I had to stop that. But yeah, I'm in a good place now, and I can revisit those songs, and it was cool that one of you guys actually commented, because I just was like noodling around on that old riff, and one of you guys was like, this morning I saw it, it was like, hey, what song is that at 2 minutes and 18 seconds? And I had to scroll, and it was like, oh wow, The Fountain. So anyway, check it out. It is on all the platforms, and it's a fun song. It's got some cool things going on with it. Drop a comment below if you want to learn more about the guitar. I do private Zoom lessons, and I'm always taking ideas. In fact, the idea for today's video is from one of you guys commenting on that little song that I forgot about years ago. But anyway, peace and love, and take care. Bye.